back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to fix we couldn't send SMS to your number. So let's just begin. The first step that I want you to take is launch your settings, then tap on general and select iPhone storage. Scroll down and search for WhatsApp and tap on offload app. Now, if the first step does not work, the second step is to try deleting and reinstalling your WhatsApp. Now you will successfully be able to send SMS back and forth. That's it. So I hope you found this video useful and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below.